Hello everyone, Autistic Otters here with you right now. Uh, First of all, hope everyone's doing okay. It's June 15th right now. I just got back from my local library and decided to print some papers on reasonable suspicion and probable cause, the differences. And legal clarity does an excellent job, my opinion, by being explicit with the differences and how they can be similar with each other. And even though there's 7 pages, I decided to print the whole thing. And it also provides case law too, and time years of what goes on as well. And these will be added to the rest of my papers when I go out do auditing with my bag as well. And of course, I have my Miranda rights right here too, which I can show to the cop. And excuse me, just like that. So let's just go over this quickly. The civil rights lawyer, I'm going to put his channel in the description of the video. He does an excellent job talking about court cases, what's reasonable suspicion, and how probable cause can be a factor. Talks about hunches are not legit, and you got to have solid facts to present to someone, court systems or whomever, for detaining, arresting someone. This is the meat and potatoes right here for what encounters the police, the law enforcement, and a public person, period. I mean, this is just it right here. And one of my friends is a judge. Well, a judge. And he's told me before that he became a judge that we're all under the law and we're all expected to know the laws, court cases, just that simple. And ignorance is not is an excuse. It doesn't matter if you're severely disabled, foreigner, can't speak English, or a little kid, or 61-year-old with Agent Orange or whatever the case may be. So, but I'm going to go over this quickly, show it to you. Here we go. You can stop at any time you want. What I did was I went online and looked up reasonable suspicion, and when you just type in reasonable suspicion, also has an option to click on reasonable suspicion versus probable cause, and that's what I clicked on, and that's how I got legal clarity. And it's very explicit, it's good, and I clicked on it, I read it, and I liked it, what it presented. And of course, I carry this lawsuit in my papers as well too, and does a phenomenal job. And court cases and stop and frisk and no hunches, and of course, the civil rights lawyer just went over the Rodriguez versus United States recently, and police can't prolong a stop without new RAS, basically. And that was a very interesting video, and unfortunately some law enforcement just don't respect that, just like that. So, and of course you got your probable cause as well. Pause it if you want, and it's a more in-depth direction for detaining someone with possible arrest, just like that. So, and see, I live here in Ohio, and we just legalized medical and recreational in the last 3 years. So Ohio is one of the states that's growing because of that. So, I mean, this is important too as well. So, of course, the cop has to prove it, what's going on, just like that. Warrantless searches, so not like your house, because in the house, someone's house, apartment, hotel room, camper, wherever, they got to have a warrant. So, the civil rights lawyer talks about that very well. So, of course, that's your Fifth Amendment. You can ask for attorney. Miranda versus Arizona. Sorry about that. It took some time. So here you go right here. These papers, this is quite new. When you look right here, it's April 1st. So just this year, it's fresh. And this will be joining the rest of my papers when I go out and do audits. And I'm not gonna, I swear on my own honesty of my own desires about auditing, these papers right here I carry with me, they do help me out. They do provide necessary information and facts to provide our claims when we go out and do audits. Because, I mean, now all the law enforcement knows what's going on. A typical person from the public doesn't know what's going on. And, you know, and it's really a big deal. I mean, when I did the audits in Painesville Post Office, when I got handcuffed in Mansfield, I mean, it's just, it really does a big deal. I wish, you know, some auditors would carry more papers with them because, I mean, I do think it could be a vital playing card for someone when they encounter the law enforcement, and I would highly recommend that. So excellent. So please like, share, and subscribe to Autistic Auditor. Chime in your comments. Appreciate your support. Appreciate you watching me. Appreciate your, you know, giving a guy with autism, I mean, the necessary fuel to continue these audits. So, what can I say? So, all right. Well, thank you very much. Enjoy your summer. I'm planning on doing some more audits soon. Gas prices are high for me right now, and I'm not going to lie about that. And when you drive an older vehicle, sometimes it's can be a little risky too. So, all righty. Well, thank you very much, and have a nice day. Bye-bye.